Hey, amazing viewers! Welcome back to Priority Problem Solvers, where the goal is to unlock your true potential. Today, the topic at hand is one that rings true with almost everyone: overcoming procrastination. Get ready, because by the time this video wraps up, you'll be armed with the strategies needed to conquer procrastination and turbocharge your productivity. First up, it's time to dissect and delve into the psychology behind procrastination. Why is it that we procrastinate despite knowing it's holding us back? It's not as simple as laziness. It's a complicated dance of emotions, fear of failure, and a plethora of other elements. So step one is all about going below the surface. It's about identifying the root causes of procrastination. Understanding why you procrastinate is the first step to overcoming it. Believe it, this knowledge is a game changer. Next up, step two presents a powerful tool that has allowed countless people to escape from the clutches of procrastination: the Pomodoro technique. Say a fond farewell to endless scrolling and a warm hello to concentrated work intervals. Guidance will be provided on how to incorporate this technique into your routine, enhancing focus and sending your productivity through the roof. Now, moving on to motivation, step 3. The secret behind creating a tailored reward system will be unveiled. Yes, that's right, rewards. You'll learn how to turn progress into a party, making the journey to completion not just effective but enjoyable too. Procrastination won't stand a chance when you have a system that celebrates your hard work and propels you forward. It's time to revolutionize the way you approach tasks and bid adieu to the procrastination cycle. And there it is. The keys to overcoming procrastination are now in your hands. Understanding the psychology, pinpointing the root causes, utilizing the Pomodoro technique, and setting up a reward system, it's a recipe for success. If you're ready to seize control of your productivity and wave goodbye to procrastination, hit that like button, subscribe for more revolutionary content, and share this video with anyone who could do with a productivity boost. It's time to transition into a more focused and productive version of yourself. Catch you in the next video, where the journey of self-improvement continues. Stay awesome.